If you feel that you would like to understand shoulder dystocia better, why it happens, what the incidence of it is it something that we really need to be concerned about, or is it something that actually maybe if we change a few things we can help to avoid. So I'm going to be talking about it in my Bitesize Birth this Wednesday evening at 7:30 UK time. You can come and join me live, and we will also have discussion at the end of the lecture of cases in a nice, safe and supportive space. Or if you can't make the live, you can always book on and you will receive the recording. So a little bit about shoulder dystocia is that it happens when the baby's head has been born through the pelvis, but the shoulders are hooked up somewhere on the pelvis. So often they're hooked up on the pubic symphysis here at the front, or on the sacral promontory at the back, one or the other, or sometimes both. And what makes that more likely? Well, you've guessed it if you've been to some of my lectures before, having someone on their back. Okay, it's going to make it more likely because the sacrum is not free to move, it's being held by the bed, and so often when somebody is on a bed, the medical way of helping out is a McRoberts, where the legs are flexed up very strongly up in this direction to open that space. But it can also be open in other ways, like with flipping somebody over, like the Gaskin or flip-flop maneuver, and that opens the space at the back of the pelvis. Other things can be done as well. So if you join me, there are lots of videos, lots of images and lots of information about shoulder dystocia, so I hope to see you there.